Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back to see me. Okay, so this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I got a face steamer. I hope you guys don't hear my cousin. Okay, so I got a facial steamer, which I have been wanting for a while. I normally have been face steaming with the DIY method, which is pretty popular. I'm sure you guys have seen plenty of YouTube videos of other ways to face steam, including the one I'm gonna introduce to you guys right now. But normally I would just, before I go to bed, I will cleanse my face, and then I will go boil a hot water, like boil a pot of hot water. I would normally do it in a kettle. It's just the easiest way and it's the quickest. I would just pour it into a bowl and maybe halfway, yeah, probably halfway. It is better to cover it so that the steam doesn't escape. But I would normally do this for about 5 to 10 minutes whenever I feel like, you know, my face has been like, my skin is like feeling really good and moisturized and everything like that. I can normally feel it as it's penetrating my skin. I like the feeling. So I've been like, I love steaming, and I can't go to a gym or like a massage place right now. So this is gonna be my next best thing. I love steam rooms. They are so good for the skin. They're really detoxifying. That's the word, yeah. Yeah, detoxifying, and it just opens your skin, like your pores up, and it just allows it to just get all the stuff out, and it just nourishes. It's just awesome. So with all that being said, I got a face steamer. Let me get it. Okay, so I got the Lenovo facial steamer. I did hear about facials, this particular one on a YouTube channel. I forget the girl's name, and I don't even know which one I saw it. I should have saved it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. I want to try it out with you guys today for the first time. I'm excited because I've been waiting for this thing forever. Okay, so let's open this up. All right. Okay. Go ahead and get this open. Don't cut yourself, please. This is a professional working. I'm just kidding. I guess you're a professional if you've been opening boxes, you know, for like forever. Because I've been ordering stuff, you know. But yeah, please be careful. Goody, goody, goody. Oh, cute. Okay, so we have a little head band to help with, you know, getting your hair out the way. It has bunny ears. Okay, I'm gonna put this on because we're gonna try it out too at the same time, guys. Okay. Okay, and then we have the little top part for the face when you're doing the steaming. We have the body with the power cord, water, measuring cup for filling, and a manicure set. What? I just did my nails too. I love manicure stuff, so sorry guys. Oh, this is super cute. How do you freaking open this thing? I don't want to mess up my nails. But yeah, there's some stuff in here. You guys can see that. The little pamphlets. All right, Lenovo Beautiful Skin Solution. Okay, the nozzle. Yeah, okay, so the mouth, the nozzle. The host, which is the body, this here, and then we have the power switch, which is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this all out of the wrapper. Okay, so now this is the cup for refilling it, and it says to not add more than 50 milliliters of water. So that's about this much. It's about this much in the cup. Okay, so they recommend 2 to 3 times a week, and sensitive skin once a week would be better. I've been steaming. Some people say it's best to do it like once a month or something like that, but I do it like probably 2-3 times a week. It's good for my skin. I like it. I like how my skin has been feeling when I do it. And the steam will last 10 minutes. That's a good time. I read the directions and I am good to go. So I'm gonna go wash my face. I'm gonna cleanse it off. I do have a little bit of makeup on, and I'm going to use my little headband. I'm not gonna let you guys see it until after when I come back. So I'll be right back. Okay, now that I am back, I'm gonna go ahead and dry my face. It's all washed and everything. As you guys can see, I am acne prone. I have combination skin, but more so on the dry side. So steaming was really good for me. I really love what it does to my skin, just the benefits of it. I think it is for though practically anybody. You just have to basically go off what your skin is telling you. But for the most part, I believe everybody with, you know, different types of skin can steam. So without further ado, let's get this started. Okay, so I got the water here, and you're just gonna pour it in to the nozzle. And I just twist this on here. I believe that's how it goes. We'll see. And then okay, so there's a click. That's how you know it is on. So now we'll wait and see how long it takes. I hear it. I'm sure not to burn my hair. It's coming. You guys will see when it's ready. Okay, now let's get this started. I think I may end up putting something in it, some sort of herbs. Ooh, look at that moisture. Y'all see that? Ooh, y'all see that? Oh man. I'm gonna love this thing. This thing does really well. I don't even think I need the full 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna probably do like 4 or 5. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and, you know, enjoy this. Man, that was great. I love it. It's really good. I'm excited to use that. The Moisturize facial steamer was about $40 on Amazon. I will put it down in the description box, the link. It's worth the $40 for me. I love it. So now let's put on my moisturizers and stuff. I do this first. I spritz my face with water. It is in my daily skin routine. It is up here. So if you did not see it yet, click on that right there. Yeah, so. My face feels so nice. Spritzing again because I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer, Neogenesis. I love to just continue to put water on my skin. It is the #1, I mean, it's moisture. Whenever you talk about moisture, it is not oil, it is not creams, it is water. So if you did not know that, now you know. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with me today, but I'm really happy. Like, I'm really happy I got this thing. Okay, that was a bit much. I didn't want to put that much. I put my serum to, like, I'm working my esthetician, I got it right. On my skin, and the serum more so helps me to balance out my moisture, and so that I won't really need moisturizer, because this is basically helping your skin to be more moisturized, but you want your own moisture levels to be able to come through without any help, really. So I'm gonna put this on my body. And I'm not going back outside, so I'm not gonna put on any sunblock. That is it, guys. Oh my gosh, my skin looks great. Overall, I'm really happy with this. I don't know why I keep thinking of cleanser. I am really in love with this steamer. Yeah, so that's my review of this. Oh my god, I'm tripping. This steamer. If you guys have any questions down below, send them there. Please subscribe if you have not yet. Click the alert button so that you guys can get notified whenever I do post. Check me out on IG _Andrea Thomas _ I sound like a rapper, huh? Okay, so I will also have those links up wherever they belong. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. I will see you later. Bye.